Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. As all of you know, I just made a video a few days back on Jain irrigation, and I thought of making a follow-up video on this because there has been some improvements in the last few days. So thought of just evaluating this stock once again to find out where we stand in terms of buying this stock or not, because there's been a lot of movement as you can see in the graph here. If I look at a 1 month chart, it has moved from a level of 18.7 to a close to almost 24 in last 1 month. So that's almost close to 40% kind of up from the level it was there a month back. So there must be something which is either happening in the stock, or there is just the market momentum which is taking it forward. So if I look at how the P ratio has moved, you will see that the P has been moving in the negative region for last several quarters, because the stock has given, so the company has given negative like profit. So that's the primary reason for this going in a negative P region. So all these are kind of indicators for like evaluating whether it's really makes sense to buy it or not. So if I just tell you what are the pros and the cons for the stock, as you can see, the pros are the stock is trading at 0.39 times its book value. That's the only pros. If you look at the cons, there's a lot of cons, like the company has low interest coverage ratio, like whatever profit they earn, it's really goes in the interest payment. So I'll show you how the last quarter result looks like. So that will be shown in the subsequent part of this video. The other thing, the company has also delivered poor sales growth for the past 5 years. Promoter holding has come down. It's now around 28.65%. Company has a low return on equity of minus 2.07% for the last 3 years. There's been contingent liabilities of 724 crores. And promoters have also placed 49.95% of their holding. That's a big negative for this stock. And earnings include an other income of 34 crores. That's again, we're not pretty sure what this means. So this is not coming from the core business. So company has high debtors of 166 days. And before I go to the peer comparison, let me just quickly show you how the last quarter results look like. So if you look at the December quarterly results, they have made sales of 1400 crore rupees. The operating profit was close to 84 crore rupees. But if you look at the profit before tax, it's been minus 186 crores, because the interest has been close to 183 crore rupees. So this part is really breaking the bone of this company, as the interest component is really impacting their competence in the market. So that is resulting in negative EPS, negative profit. So everything is getting impacted because of that. And if I look at the peer comparison, so that you understand like which other companies you can go for if you're interested in this segment, there is Astral Pipes, which has been kind of a leader in this segment with close to 38,000 crores market cap, but the PE has been 94. That's negative because it's highly valued now. Supreme Industries is okay, it has 28,000 crore market cap and 29 PE. Finolex Industries, Prince Pipes, Nilkamal, Mayur, a lot of other companies are there, but most of them are overpriced except Finolex Industries. So if you really want to buy in this segment, I would suggest to go for Finolex Industries instead of Jain Irrigation, because that will probably will give you better returns going forward compared to this company. Alright, so that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you in this video. This is a short video, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.